spine deeply, and as you exhale, release the arms, let all of that go. Bend the knees generously and slowly, with the knees bent, strong engagement in the legs, start to roll it up to standing. And just as we've been doing, start to roll up through the spine, drawing energy up from the base of the pelvis all the way up through the low back, the mid back, upper back, the neck. You're gonna grab your right elbow with your left hand and your left elbow with your right hand. So you're clasping the elbows here. And with a strong, you're just kind of holding all this tension and stress that you might be carrying around, things that are making you feel heavy or anxious. Inhale, strong awareness in your feet. You're gonna start to slowly sway a little left to right. Bend the knees, breathe deep. Then imagine